All right, so we dropping a little vlog today. You guys chilling with us. As you can see, we in the kitchen, and I'm just picked up the vlog and be like, you know, let's start a vlog.
Pick the camera
so
up. That's right.
We here now in the kitchen. I'm about to make some. Well, I started already, guys. I started making tacos, and I'm about to make some pastelitos, which is my country pasteles, and we just sitting here eating some salad. Shout out to the sour cream container. Storage. All right. So, and babe here, sexiness, he getting ready for the gym, y'all.
Of course.
He finna hit to the gym. He gonna talk to y'all when he get into the gym. He probably show y'all a little something.
What I'm working out with, y'all see what it is. Just
might teach y'all how to get that back right. Let me show y'all.
Oh, no.
How to get that back right.
Yeah, don't show the back. Yeah, no, don't show my back. You just working the back out.
Get everything.
Yeah, you're gonna still work out about the back.
Legs, show them legs.
Yeah, I
got them legs.
One thing, it's mandatory to work on the legs, so I always like to work on my legs. You might do just, you don't see it, just gonna see overall. I'm gonna just try to sum it up all in a minute, but those will all be sequence of stuff that I'll be working on.
You can hold it.
My bad. Yeah, so yeah, that'd be sequence of things that I just be working.
Like
I don't know you at the king though, but yeah, if I work out I'm trying to work out the whole body. So just do it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, physique, right?
Yeah, getting that physique right. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a bit and let me tighten up my things up. Just wait for take over.
Take over. I got it, child. I got it. While he go to the gym, I got everything. Let me fix this right. Pastelitos. All right, and I'm eating my salad because the salad is good. I made this myself. I got apples in it and berries. Blueberry, cranberry, a little raspberry, berry. It is so good. If y'all hear me smacking, excuse me, okay? I'm trying not to. In the bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rice. It's hot. The rice. And I made some ground beef. Let me show you guys the ground beef. That's the ground beef. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna just dish that out, guys. I need a spoon, a bigger fork or something. Should be enough. Should make the rice cool a little bit. That baby hot. And I'm just gonna mix it up with the rice like this. Blend it together, baby. I'm gonna taste it.
What's called it?
I'm busting. Should have had some fish.
You gotta get that.
Had that fish because Bae like the fish, y'all. He prefer the fish. All right, so I got that going. Ooh. Got that over there because I was making a salad. Okay. What's that video? All these ants. The who? You saw it take it off?
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
I told you she did.
Say what's up to the vlog. Sound like that Grinch.
I know, right?
Hey, twin.
I'll be back.
What's the taco?
got
It's the tacos down there. Hey, twin.
Oh, this ain't gonna cancel it, right?
Why? Then, all right, guys. So we're back. Let me just show you guys. Continue on with my pastelito. So this is how we do it. I just put it on my hands like that. Put it on the plastic. I need another container, so I don't have the pastel maker. Put the pot on, and I give it a little roll, y'all. Just a light roll. Voila. I get the meat. They see in that one. And I just line it up like that. I'm not gonna put too much because you don't want them to pop open. Yeah. You get that, and you just push that up like that and bring it down. Fold them ends down, and I just get the spoon, lightly press, lightly press. Voila. And then I just get it and I just bring it over to the fryer. Since we have a few already need to be taken out, we're gonna remove those that need to be taken out. Maybe that top piece could have been fried a little bit more. Flip that over. We're almost finished with that. I'm gonna try to lay this one right here. All right. Telling you guys earlier, I'm like, I be having these cravings, y'all. It is ridiculous. I'm on these new birth control, and they be making me crave for stuff. I be telling the doctors, like, listen, they making me crave all type of things. So I'm trying to watch my figure, y'all. But Malia just ditched me and whatnot. Bae done gone to the gym. Bae done gone to the gym, so he's doing that. And I'm gonna just get the dinner going till he come back. Oh, the tacos down over there. You could get it from over there. And the taco meat is right there. So I was telling y'all earlier I was making tacos, and I'm making these pastels because I was having a little crave. You want the taco meat? And the taco shells right here. Look at the taco shells, y'all. I'm gonna do them tacos. The lettuce is in the refrigerator. The cheese is over there. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys a little piece of what we was doing at the moment, because we haven't speak to you guys since Christmas. And we hope everybody enjoyed their Christmas and enjoying their holiday. Happy New Year's to you guys as well. But you know, that's coming up soon, y'all. We're not sure we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna vlog New Year's. I'm not sure. New Year's or New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Y'all going to church? Let me know down below. If you guys are going to church, what you guys gonna do for the New Year's? You know, are you setting your goals for the New Year's? What's going on? Let's comment, let's chat. With me, yeah, I'm setting a few goals this year and stuff. Yeah, like I said, I'll be setting a few goals every year I do. And this year I'll be writing a letter. Well, last year I did write a letter to God, but this one is a little bit different. Last time it was like a list, but this one is a letter. So I'm writing a letter for God. Yeah, letter for God 2026. I'm still eating this salad, y'all. So y'all got trying to get ready. This whole holiday been feeling like regular day anyway. How y'all feel about it? Have it been feeling like a just regular day? Or you guys been in the holiday spirit? I'm gonna put some more meat in this one. I think I got more rice than I got more meat. We can't have that. I like my patty to be with meat. A whole bunch of meat, so I add more meat to it. Just doing a quick little video, guys. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and holler at Bae because he's in the gym right now, and he want to speak to you guys, okay, and let you guys know some stuff. So while he in the gym, so let me send that over to him, okay? Catch you guys in a few minutes. Commercial.
Thank you, wife, for pass it on. All right, guys, you know how it is. I constantly stress out. Let's stay fit. Let's stay healthy. So you know how it is. So don't forget, legs are important. There's a reason why you want me to work out your legs. All right, it's a very important part of the muscle. Don't forget, backs too. You want to work around here with the cane, right? Tell you, it'll help. All right, just constantly stay fit, stay healthy, eat healthy, drink healthy. You know, make sure you keep hydrated. It's just some things I do in the gym. As you can just take a look at it. You know, just hope you guys enjoy it. You know, this is seriously just a little sequence, and I give you everything. But you'll get everything later on, you know, But you have to stay tuned. Alright? Just stay tuned to it, man. You'll enjoy it. So don't forget. Now this one here, it's the killer. But you'll love it. 10 sets of 10. Alright, gang. As you can see, these are all part of it. I'm not done yet. I still got more, but you know what? I'm finna pass it on to the wifey. I'm gonna let her go ahead and finish up. I still got more chest workout to do. Wifey, it's all up to you. Take it over.
All right, guys, I want to show you guys my results of the pastels and the tacos. So I have the American taco, and I have my Honduras taco pastel, and I made Bae a chalupa as well. So this is what we have for dinner tonight, guys, and I wanted to show you guys that. Oh, I mean, I still just fall on the plate. Don't mind that. So Bae we're gonna wait on Bae for that. Thank you, Shan. We're gonna wait on Bae for his meal, and in the meanwhile, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Gosh, I got so much going on. I gotta start finishing packing with my daughters. So that's what I'm gonna do. Do a little bit of packing, cause I don't know if I had told you guys in the last video that they're going on a trip. So that's what we're doing. I've been packing up these stuff for these girls, getting their carry-on together, all of these things in the couch. Like, I have so much stuff everywhere, guys. Probably just do that for a minute and pack up everything. Have my music playing for a minute. Alright, so I got her some little t-shirts and stuff from Walmart. My mom just bought her some t-shirts from Walmart, and I'm doing Malia's bag. And he got from Walmart. Got a little hand wipes and stuff. Y'all don't mind my background, y'all. It's in a mess. Can you close down that window back there? Got her some underwear to go in there. Grandma got her another cute little shirt to go in her suitcase. We got a lot of underwear. So some more underwears and stuff, and little toiletry things. She also got her like a little to-go things of shampoos and stuff. This is to wipe, carry on, disinfecting wipes. I got the Lysol so they could spray down when they get on the plane. If they gotta go to the bathroom or anywhere, you just spray. Bug spray, because you're definitely gonna need this out there. This right here, baby, you need that bug spray. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna be doing right now while Bae in the gym, y'all. Getting it in, doing that workout, getting it in. So I'm gonna just go ahead, continue folding these clothes, packing them up, and sorting stuff out. Getting stuff together, because they be leaving in a few days. And Bae is very he's so nervous. He don't want them girls to travel by themselves. He want to be there, but we can't be there right now because the girls going. So this where we at right now, y'all. All right. So I'm gonna just finish this off, get Malia bag ready, and then I'm gonna jump over and help Cheyenne with her bag as well. Life of a mother never ends. See you guys in a minute. Commercial, something like that. Guys, we back and we are discussing all of this stuff. They eating his food.
Hey.
He's back from the gym.
Hey y'all.
He eating up
Just eating.
the pastels, the 3 tacos. Y'all seen it?
I eat the tacos already.
And the chalupa. Did you picked up on the chalupa?
I eat it. I eat it.
He ate it. So guys, we just sitting here right now, relaxing. He's eating, and I'm still packing, trying to figure out what else we need to get for Miss Malia, honey. So we just contemplating right now what we're gonna do because it's a lot of mess. I showed you guys already. I was gonna show you again, but it's a lot of mess. So we just trying to figure out what we need to get her at the last minute. So that's what it is tonight. I hope you enjoy us doing a little skits of our showing you guys how I do my pastelitos and Bay at the gym.
Yep.
You know, that's something during our day that we just wanted to share with you guys. Something that we do out the day.
That's it.
Yeah. I forgot he's sweaty. No, but I don't smell you. I could feel the sweat a little bit. Like,
oh God.
yeah, I could feel the sweat.
Okay.
Yes, Miss Malia. All right, guys.
All right,
We
great.
appreciate you joining us and tuning in to this video. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hype this video up. If you see the hype down below, make sure you comment.
Feedback. Until then, until the next video, y'all.
Kings and queens, y'all stay royal.
Peace out.
Bye.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.